Whether you have symptoms or not, New Haven is encouraging people to get tested. And this afternoon, state leaders visited a pop-up testing center on New Haven's Green. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland was there and joins us now live with all the details. Matt.
Yeah, Aaron, New Haven has 7 testing locations. The pop-up one that had today here on the New Haven Green, bringing that number to 8, and the city says additional locations will be rolling out as well. The line stretched down the Green, leading to gowned-up medical professionals waiting with a nasal swab.
Our goal is to find the hot spots, the areas where we have positive tests, and test in that locale to protect the citizens there.
Dr. Stephen Murphy, an independent primary care physician, and his team have been offering COVID-19 screenings in New Haven over the past month. When it comes to testing per capita, the Elm City is one of the best in the state. The Yale New Haven Health and CVS testing sites see hundreds of cars a day. And throughout New Haven, there are a number of walk-up sites in predominantly African American and Hispanic communities that have been hit the hardest.
We have these pop-up sites, and we have a capacity at each one of these sites to test about 100 people a day. In reality, we're testing around 30 people a day, 40 people a day.
New Haven's mayor says the messaging needs to change, letting folks know testing is available, whether you have symptoms or not. And the same goes for insurance.
We have the capacity for testing now. That's why it's really important for public figures to say, this is why we got tested, this is why you should get tested at no cost, no questions asked.
This afternoon, Senator Richard Blumenthal and New Haven Mayor Justin ELICKER got tested on the Green, with the governor joining them, encouraging more people to do just that.
We're taking tests to where people are, making it easier for them to get tested. And what a difference that makes.
And while it saw a drop in testing last week, the state says it's testing about 42,000 people a week, with a goal of doubling that number by mid-June.
The most important thing here is that if you want a test, you should be able to get a test. If you're going to visit your grandmother, if you're going to visit a friend who's immunocompromised, if you have a worry because you've been exposed, you should test. Because if you can't test, then you can't do any of the rest.
Now, Dr. Murphy says he has 3 sites here in New Haven, plans on adding 2 more. Also today, we learned Yale New Haven Health will be opening up an additional site on Orchard Street in the near future. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.